Hey guys, I just wanted to touch base with you and let you know how much I miss being there with you guys. I know how hard you are working. I see a lot of great stuff coming through. Thank you for sharing your plans with me and reaching out to me. Continue to do so. Text me, email me, call me. I'm here to help since I'm quarantined at home with the husband and I have to keep telling him he needs to go back to work. Anyway, you guys are doing a great job. I see some good things that are going to be going home to your students. I think they're going to be excited once they get on and they start seeing some of the stuff that you're sending home. Parents are going to be so impressed by all the great things you guys are sending out. One of the things that we talked about this morning at the principal's Google Hangout meeting was how awesome it would be if teachers could send out a morning message through video, just saying hey to their kiddos and letting them see your face. It doesn't take super long. If you could just send one out on Dojo. Also, I wanted to share that if you go to Buncce, BUNCCE.org, I think I spelled that wrong. Anyway, I'll share that out. They have some great template backgrounds, which I'm using on this video. You can see a background that I made really quickly. It's free. You can only make 3 at a time, so then you have to delete them. But then I screenshot them, take a picture of it, and save it, and then I have this background forever. Anyway, I've used that, and I'm also using Screencast-O-Matic, and so I can put my face in the video, or you can do it without being in the video. You can just see your voice in the background when you're making videos. But I think the kids would love to see your faces and hear your voices. Anyway, I know that it's not fun to videotape yourself if you're not used to it, and I usually do lots and lots of do-overs, but I'm doing this one unedited, so I'm just going to send it out to you guys anyway. Wanted to say hello, I miss you, I love you. Please keep in touch. Bye.